Here we are at Newport Park in Lake Delton, Wisconsin, right outside of Wisconsin Dells. That's the Wisconsin River right there with the Dells. And just up the road here is going to be a new attraction. As was found in this planning document, this plot of land, which is right off a secondary highway in the beautiful Wisconsin River, will likely eventually host a mountain coaster attraction. Owned by the same people who run Skyland Ranch and Rowdy Bear in Tennessee, they own a large plot of land covering over 32 acres of hilly terrain. While not located directly on Highway 12, like many of the Dells' most famous attractions, this location isn't too far from other popular destinations, like the Land of Natura, Lake Delton, and the Wilderness Golf Course. As you will see shortly, this site has recently been surveyed, and the layout of the coaster can be made out from the markers. While the owner of the land has said that he could confirm that they are planning on announcing something and opening this property, nothing has officially been announced yet. It's a very pretty location. I've come to this park just to fly the drone. Just up over here is the actual location. So we're gonna walk up over there and see how that all looks. This is pretty significantly off the beaten path here, for the Dells at least. There's a small little resort over here, and the Wilderness Golf Course kind of comes up over here, but it's significantly less built up. There's at least a sidewalk on one side of the road, but it's definitely not something that's very busy. You know, school buses, that sort of thing. It's kind of where people live and play rather than just play. But as you can see, we're actually climbing up a little bit of a grade here to get up from the river up to this lot. And this lot actually has a pretty significant hill to it, which is perfect for a mountain coaster. Skyland Ranch and Pigeon Forge actually has a mountain coaster and a chairlift, which it would be interesting to see if they build both here. I suspect they'll just build the mountain coaster because this hill isn't that big, but who knows? This corner here is kind of where the lot starts, and you can see that there's actually quite a few flags on site already. Quite a busy intersection. You can see a ton of marks up there, all around. Survey markers. A lot of these are for communications and power, but a lot of that stuff up there, that looks like a mountain coaster path to me. Now, it's kind of hard to tell in the video, but this is a pretty significant hill. There's a bit of a little flat area over here, but then there are a ton of survey markings up, down, all around the hill. I don't know if that's a fence line, or maybe that'll be the lift hill for the coaster. Maybe the pink is the downhill. But there are markers all over this hillside. Up on the hillside over here, you can totally see this kind of close line of yellow flags in almost a perfectly straight line going up the hill, and it just kind of keeps going up the hill. That totally seems like where they'd put the lift hill, and then concentrate a lot of the mountain coaster elements kind of on the far side of the hill over there, those orange or pink flags. Wow, pretty cool to have it all laid out over here. This is a really neat piece of land here. There's a pretty significant hill here, really pretty. And over there, should have brought my zoom camera. It's kind of hard to tell now, but we started all the way down there. They own all of this land, and I'm only about halfway up this hill. Maybe they will have to put in a chairlift. It's really steep, really big. And I'll walk up here where there's a plot that hasn't been well, this kind of homestead up here is the kind of the boundary line for where Skyland has bought land. And we'll have to see. There's even some flags over here though. Maybe they could end up doing some. Oh, you know what this was? This was the posted no trespassing sign that I drove by. Well, I'm not going to do any trespassing, but that sure looks like an access road to me. Huh. And there are a couple markers down in there. Huh. It's a pretty wide clearing. I'm guessing this was going to be something else at some point. It's kind of perfect for a mountain coaster though. Really significant gradient. You know, I always wondered what would happen if you hit a deer on a mountain coaster. This might end up being a problem. Hi, deer. Oh my gosh, there's a whole flock of you. How many of them are there? Doesn't get much more Wisconsin than that, folks. They're just staring at me. Hey, buddies. Hi. You guys are little babies. You want to come check me out, don't you? You guys up there are a little bit more scared of me. Yeah, they're pretty close to me. They are not scared of me one bit. So, anyhow, this house here is kind of where the property line ends. Right over there is where Skyland Ranch starts. And you can see Wilderness is right over here. Wilderness Golf Course is right up here. I'm gonna take a measurement and kind of see what the elevation is here at the top. We're actually a little bit underneath where that pile is. It could actually be a pretty significant elevation. All right, up at the top here, we're at about 950 feet above sea level. We'll walk back down and see what this is looking like. Don't get shot, buddies. Good way to tell where lots are, where the driveways are. This is the driveway for this lot. Kind of goes in, which is the first Skyland Ranch lot. This is right where the next lot starts. Makes sense. The access road's back here. You can see this part of the land kind of makes sense to put the mountain coaster kind of on this face, because we've kept going down and down and down and down, while the land over there has kind of stayed the same, but then it has a pretty significant drop over here. Here's one last look again at these markers. You can kind of see the straight line through the woods, and down there they have so many markers. These markers look like a circle to me, which to me looks like a downward helix, as is seen on a lot of vegan mountain coasters. So that's what makes me believe that the yellow line is the lift hill, and then this pink line will end up being the track layout. We're roughly in line where that bottom elevation is over there, so I'm going to take another measurement. Took another elevation measurement. We're down at about 860 feet above sea level now, so that would roughly mean about 100 feet of elevation change from the top to the bottom here. That's pretty good. Definitely enough for a mountain coaster, but it's definitely not super long. See a guy walking along there. I'm gonna go walk on that side of the road too, because they own all of that. Just look at all the freaking... You can see that very straight line in the woods that I think is the lift hill. And over here, what looks like a layout to me. I'm gonna go walk up along this highway and see if I can see some more. You can see where the entry driveway likely is, along with a lot of stuff going on in the woods. And then the lift line right there. This would probably be where they put the parking lot, unless they put it at the top of the hill. But I'm guessing this is a decently flat enough and big enough area to put a parking lot. See what else I can find. There's definitely writing on that. I wish I brought my big camera. Man, what a shame. This is a great example right here of how the layout swoops down, turns around. This would probably be the brake run right here, loading, ticketing the lodge, and then it would go up the lift hill on the back side of the hill. Well, from what I can tell without trespassing, these markers count up as they go downhill with D dash, and then this is 73, and that one's 72. So I think what that means is downhill 72 and downhill 73. So this is totally where the coaster would come down. And then up there, an earlier section of the layout. See if I can get a better view of it up along here. So here we are up over here. That lot line marker lines up with the lot lines on the map. This is all owned by Skyland, but there is a house here. So clearly this person's living here until it's torn down. But you can see back in there, more coaster markers. Huge. All right. Look at it, Hades. Definitely in the Dells. Stay tuned for more updates. It'll be exciting to get Wisconsin Dells' first mountain coaster here. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.